Okay, this is the stoichiometry of Smore Lab, and it says, in this lab you will explore the principles of stoichiometry by building s'mores with chocolate, marshmallows, and graham crackers. So it says 1 chocolate bar, which is right here, and I've broken it into 4 parts, 3 parts per part. Next you have 6 marshmallows and 5 graham crackers. So here are the 6 marshmallows and the 5 graham crackers. Okay, the first thing it says is place paper towels on your lab, obtain the food, which I've done right here. Okay, first job, find the mass of 1 marshmallow. So what I've done is I put a paper towel on the scale, zeroed it out, now I'm going to place 1 marshmallow on top. So step 4, the mass of 1 marshmallow is 5.6 grams. Okay, I'm going to hit 0 one more time. Next, it asks to find the mass of 1 graham cracker. 8.9 grams. 1 graham cracker. Okay, then it says break apart your chocolate bar into the size you wish, which I've already done, and I need to take the mass of it. So let me re-zero it. There's my chocolate, 3 pieces, 12.2 grams. Okay, then it says write the synthesis equation for the formation of 1 s'more and make sure you balance it. So I will show you my version of a s'more, and then you will write the equation and try to balance it. So for each s'more, I would like 2 graham crackers, 1 s'more, and 3 chocolate pieces. Okay, so for me, this is how I would enjoy a s'more. So 2 graham crackers, 1 marshmallow, and 3 chocolate pieces, but they're attached as 1. Together that equals 1 s'more. So your job is to write a synthesis equation. And synthesis is what? Just adding the parts together to get 1 unit, and that 1 unit is your s'more. And now step 11 says record the mass of one of my products. Okay, so one of my s'mores is 2 graham crackers, 1 marshmallow, and my chocolate pieces. So my s'more is 34.4 grams. Alright, now it says record the number of s'mores that I can make. So according to my equation, alright, so I have 2 graham crackers per s'more, 1 marshmallow per s'more, and the 3 chocolate pieces. So according to my equation for a s'more, I can get 2 complete s'mores. Okay, now that is the number of s'mores that I can make, and then of course if you were in class, you could eat these and actually cook the marshmallows. But since you're watching this, you don't get to eat that. But now for the post-lab questions, it asks, is there a relationship between the mass of 1 s'more and the masses of the reactants? So what you need to do is on the front, you need to add these 3 measurements. When you add them, how does it compare to the measurement here? Is it equal or not equal? So that is how you answer the first question. Okay, and the reason for that is actually the answer to number 2. The law that we studied was the conservation of mass. So technically these should be equal to each other, but you need to prove that to me. Okay, next one. It says, what is the limiting and what are the excess reactants? So here's how you figure this out. If I wanted to make my next s'more, I have enough chocolate, I have enough marshmallows. What I don't have enough of are my graham crackers. So I can only make 2 s'mores because I'm limited. So what limited me was the graham cracker. What I have excess of are marshmallows and chocolate. Okay, now the last part. Right now you saw the masses of each of these individually. What I'm asking for the next part here, if I gave you 100 grams of chocolate, 100 grams of this, how many s'mores could you make? So what you do is take 100 and you divide it by the mass you found in number 9. For the mass of the marshmallows, if I gave you 100 grams of these, you take 100 grams and you divide it by your mass from number 4. And then last, for the graham crackers, if I gave you 100 grams of these, you take the 100 and you divide it by your mass of graham crackers. And the unit for each of these is s'mores. It is not grams.